Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here and announce what is coming up. In today's video, I want to give you a sneak peek into what's coming up on the channel. I'm currently hard at work on an exciting new series, a comprehensive Linux command line tutorial. This course is designed to be your go-to resource for mastering the essential commands needed to navigate and harness the power of the Linux terminal. Throughout the tutorial, we will dive into a wide range of topics, from basic navigation and file manipulation to more advanced commands that will elevate your Linux proficiency. Whether you are a beginner looking to familiarize yourself with the terminal or an experienced user aiming to enhance your skills, this tutorial is crafted with you in mind. I'll break down each command, explain its functionality, and provide practical examples to ensure you not only understand the concepts, but can apply them confidently in your Linux journey. If you have ever felt a bit intimidated by the command line, fear not. By the end of this course, you will be navigating the Linux terminal like a pro. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join me on this exciting Linux command line adventure. Let's unlock the full potential of the terminal together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the first lesson.